there, my name is Maria Pilon and this is Genevieve Maguire, and today we will show you how you should design a proper eyebrow. First of all, what you wish to do is to look at your face shape. That's very important. Do you have a wider face, a narrow face, or a heart-shaped face like Genevieve? So the first thing you need to have is to have the right tools, and please sanitize your tools. You can sanitize it with alcohol because you do not want to bring any bacteria to the area, because when you tweeze the eyebrows, you're opening up the follicles, and a lot of time some bacteria can enter and you can get like little pimples, little irritation. So you have to be very careful. So clean tools, that's very important. So you get a pencil or your eyebrow makeup and set it right in the center like this. So from the nostril to the center, and so you can see where your eyebrows should start. Okay, so now we're going to start tweezing. We're going to measure by applying your pencil or makeup brush, the inner. So we're going to start tweezing in here. So any hairs that is on the outside, we're going to tweeze. The highest point, which is the apex. So from here to here is a straight line, and then this is where the eyebrows should end. If the eyebrows are, if the eyes are wide set, then we want to have a little bit more hairs in the inner corner. If it's close set, then we want to tweeze extra hairs and put some light in this area, so we give an illusion of openness. Tweezers and your little brush or a comb. Clean this area. And we start tweezing in the inner corner. And you want to remove all the little hairs that were on in the inner corner here that you don't want, to open up the eye. And also you have to look at the different looks that your client wants or you want. Keep on brushing so you can see what you have removed. And start working in the inner corner here. And you want to make a nice straight line. Now take your time to remove the exact hairs. And so let's see how we're forming here a nice straight line. Now this is going to take a long time, so you're going to cut this out, Genevieve? So what you're noticing here now is that from the inner corner to the apex, you can see is a straight line. This is the apex right here. And from the apex to the outer eyebrow, it's also a straight line. All the little fine hairs are all removed, nice and clean, and also in the inner corner. No hairs, no little hairs here were removed because you do not want to destroy your natural line. Once you tweeze, you may take a highlighter and you can just put it right underneath the eyebrow, and quickly you can put it with your finger or with a nice brush. Either way is good. It's your own makeup. And you can apply some lightness in the center here, in this area. And to complete the design, you should always put some eyebrow makeup. Okay? And right between the eyebrow hairs like this, so it gives a nice definition to the eyebrow. Not too much, just a little bit. So you can see. And it gives a little bit of not only definition, but it gives a thickness to the eyebrow. And if there's little hairs missing, you can always add it to it. If you need to extend a little bit, you can do that too. There. So you can see the difference between the eyebrow that is done, and not too much hairs were removed, and the one that's not. And you can see there's a nice little lift here. Thank you very much for seeing this clip, and thank you very much for my lovely model, Genevieve Maguire.